Hello, welcome to another review. Today we are looking at the LG Velvet. So before we continue, let me just thank you for already liking the stream and pressing that subscribe button together with the notification icon. Thank you. Even before the stream started, you already did that, so thank you. Let's continue the review. So if you have owned any LG devices, you know that they usually have an old design. They have a rectangular shape design which is a bit sharp on the edges. So the company is trying to move away from that design with their latest device. Okay, so the first thing that you realize when you watch the video, you know that in all phones you have this margin that covers the cameras, but on this device the cameras are just on the surface of the phone with no margin. So this phone it has some features which aren't available on other devices like that one. And another thing is that the camera has a teardrop setup. So the largest one is at the top, then the smallest one is at the bottom. The main thing that you have to see when you are looking at this device is that it's featuring the Snapdragon 765. The good thing about this chip is that it supports 5G, so the device will be able to support 5G, but it's not as powerful as the LG V60, which uses Snapdragon 865. Nevertheless, this will be a somewhat sub-flagship phone from LG, but the main thing that the main feature that we can draw from this phone is that it's going to have 5G, and because of that, the pricing of the phone is going to be a bit higher. Even though it's having a less powerful Snapdragon, it's going to be around $850. And on other standard features, it's going to have an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And the battery is also somewhat standard with 4300 milliamp hour battery. So regarding the charging rate, it's going to feature a 30-watt quick charge, which it's a bit faster. And the new features that are going to come to this phone is the air motion and the hand ID. So in some flagship phones, they have incorporated this feature of air motion. Let's say you are just waving on your phone, or you are doing a gesture, your phone will be able to recognize that. And the LG Velvet is going to support that feature alongside the hand ID, which will be able to act as a secondary security measure as a notification. If you want to open the phone, you can just use your hand. So the phone, we're expecting it to launch around 15th of this month, and you'll be able to get it after about 1 week at the price of $850. But I'll try to find out more about the price, then I'll post it at the comment section. So Giz China is on this website. It's saying that it's going to launch on May 7th, maybe on some, just as a showcase. Then on around 15th, you'll be able to get it, you'll be able to buy it. These are the leaked images that are available so far. The glass is a bit glossy for the black and white version of the phone. Here are the internals. it's going to have a 10-watt wireless charging, which is a bit slow for the current year. And it's going to feature an AMOLED screen with a 1080 by 2340 pixels, so that's a full HD plus display having AMOLED. Yeah, that's all for the review. Let me know what you guys think. If you love LG and you like the new device, you can also buy it, because it's a bit different from your usual LG device. The design is a bit streamlined. I personally like it, but different people have different opinions. So that's all. Once again, thank you for liking and subscribing. I really appreciate. I'll see you on the next video.